Yo guys, apparently it just started raining and there's a snowstorm outside. It's like blowing everywhere. I think, yeah, you can't really see it that well, sadly. This is crazy. Yeah, it's a humongous, this was supposed to be rain. I thought it was rain, but it's actually a humongous snowstorm. It's crazy, isn't it? Can't even see it that well on camera. That's better. Yeah. Holy crap, it is. It's only been doing this for like a few minutes and it's already a blizzard. Holy crap. And the weather is saying that it's light rain. It's crazy, isn't it? Hey, apparently it's actually thundering now, and this is what has happened in the past like 3 to 5 minutes. I'm not kidding. This is the biggest snowstorm I've ever experienced. Yeah, this is no natural occurrence. I think Zurgo's messing with the weather grid now. You should probably comment down below. But holy crap, is this amazing. This is just, it's been doing this for just now 10 minutes and it's like a blizzard. That is insane. Look at that, there's my bike down there. But holy crap. This is a crazy storm. I'm gonna record some stuff after like 30 minutes. I'll see you guys then. Alright, 13 minutes later, this is what it is so far. It's like an entire snowstorm in just an hour. Well, it is quite crazy. Never, sheer fact that it's thundering. Thunder snow is even crazier. I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more.